In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete invoice in Xero. We'll move slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to click, and I'll add helpful context along the way. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Deleting an invoice is permanent and typically only available for draft invoices. If an invoice has been approved or paid, the delete option may not be available. In those cases, you'd usually handle it differently, so check your invoice status first and proceed with care. Start by opening Xero and heading to the sales area. This is your home base for everything related to customer billing. From there, select invoices. That takes you to the main invoice list, where you can see statuses like draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid. If you have a lot of records, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down so you're working with the correct invoice. Next, select the invoice you want to remove. Open it and quickly verify the key details: the contact, the date, the amounts, and the line items. It's worth double checking at this stage to make sure you're deleting the right document. Remember, once an invoice is deleted, it's gone from your accounting records, so accuracy matters. On the invoice screen, look for the three dots menu, sometimes called More Options, usually near the top right. Click that to reveal additional actions. Among the options, choose Delete. If you don't see delete, it likely means the invoice isn't in a deletable state, such as already approved or paid, or you might not have the necessary user permissions. In that case, review the status or speak with your organization's Xero administrator. When you click delete on a draft invoice, Xero will prompt you with a confirmation message, typically labeled delete draft invoice. This is your last checkpoint. Read the prompt. Make sure you understand that the action cannot be undone, and confirm you truly want to remove this draft from your books. Finally, click Delete to confirm. Xero will remove the invoice immediately. You should see the invoice list update, and the deleted item will no longer appear. If you deleted a draft by mistake, you'll need to recreate it by making a new invoice with the same details. As a best practice, consider noting why you deleted the draft in your team's internal records to keep your audit trail clear. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in Xero safely and confidently.